Okay, I wanted to show you the final installation here. We're going to start again with the cool discovery that I made. This is my glove compartment. Of course, I removed a bunch of stuff out of there, but I wanted to also show you the cavity here. There's a plate in the back of the glove box. That removes the left side, very easy screw. I'm not sure if you can see the other screw on the other side, but same screw on the other side. But you notice this great big huge cavity back here where we can put all the MMI stuff, and I actually have the ChromeCast in there as well. So it's actually the coldest day of the year so far here in Buffalo, New York. And I also wanted to show you the installation of the screen mirroring through ChromeCast. Actually, I have Waze on here, which is actually pretty cool. And I also wanted to show you, this is the setup that I have. It's a very simple setup with my car that has 140,000 miles on it. e60 525. I really like this car, so I was happy to have this upgrade. And I'll show you, I'm going to hold down the button here for 3 seconds or so. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to basically pop. Actually, I have my setup screen here, which I didn't know I was going to get. I don't know if I can just hold down the menu key and kind of get to the other backup screen. But let me just go ahead and pop up to the backup screen as well. I'm going to put the car in reverse, and it should automatically pull up the backup screen as well. So that's the installation. That's with a much larger screen. If any of you that have a 2004 BMW or e60, this is kind of a pretty cool application and upgrade. So I hope you liked the video, and best wishes.